Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here for today's video because I'm doing another collab with my good friend Michel. We seriously had so much fun filming our thrift swap video and you guys seem to really enjoy it. So we are back with another collab video, and this one I think you guys are gonna absolutely love. One thing that Michel and I have in common besides loving to thrift and loving matcha and loving Madewell is that we do a lot of unboxing videos on our channel, and so we thought it would be really fun to send each other subscription boxes. So you guys probably know what a subscription box is. It's basically where you pay a monthly fee and you get items delivered that are usually like a really good deal for the price that you're paying. So Michel and I thought it would be really fun to put together a subscription box for the other person and send it to each other so that we can unbox them here on our channels. So for my video today, I am gonna be taking you guys with me while I shop for Michel's subscription box. I have a $50 budget and so does she. We're trying to stay in like a reasonable price because typically a subscription box can be anywhere between, you know, $20 to $50, and we just wanted the challenge to be able to see what we could get for $50. A lot of subscription boxes and services actually can get really great products for a pretty cheap price because they're buying wholesale, but because Michel and I are going to be buying retail prices, it's going to be really challenging, and I think it's going to open our eyes to how good of a deal a subscription box actually is. Like, I've gotten a FabFitFun box before and they give you products that are way above what you're paying monthly. So this is not only gonna be a fun unboxing, but it's also gonna be quite the challenge to shop for each other with the limited budget that we have. The only downside to a subscription box, obviously, is that you don't really get to pick out your products. Some subscription boxes you kind of get to pick stuff out, but for most of them, you're basically paying a monthly fee and getting whatever they send you. But Michel and I thought it'd be so fun to pick out items that we think the other person would love and really tailor the box to the other person's style. Just like the thrift video, after you watch mine, you're gonna wanna head over to Michel's channel because she also is filming herself shopping for my subscription box, and I'm gonna be opening mine up on her channel. So you guys are gonna get to see Michel here on my channel again, which I know you all really loved. I love just bringing in people on my channel. It's so fun. So I'm gonna be taking you guys into a couple stores today as I shop for Michel's box. I'm gonna do a little bit of online shopping, I think, to kind of fill in the gaps, but I want to find as much as I can in stores so that I can really see the pieces in person and decide what to put in the box. Let's go shop for Michel's subscription box. Alright, so I decided to hit up TJ Maxx first because I feel like they have a lot of really good name brand things but for really good deals. And since I only have $50, I want to try to get her like enough to fill a box, and I feel like this is a good place to start. So I was gonna hit up here and then I was gonna hit up Target after, but I feel like she might hit up Target, so I'm gonna start here at TJ Maxx. Hopefully I can find some stuff. I really want to get her some summer inspired things because I feel like this would be a really cute summer subscription box. So I'm over here in the sun hats and hopefully I can find her like a really cute hat. So this one's only $12.99 and I feel like this would actually be a pretty big item for her box. I also found this really cute one for $14.99, but it's got like leopard print on it and I'm not positive that she's into leopard print, so she might not like it. Okay, I'm not gonna get her this one because I feel like it's kind of, you'd have to really like it to really want it, but I thought it was cool because it has like a little dip in the back if you wear like a bun or a ponytail, so you can like put your hat on. That's kind of nice. I also found this really cute mauve pink macrame bag that I feel like she would absolutely love. It's $24. That's like half my budget, so I don't know if I want to spend half of my budget on one item, although it's like really cute and I feel like she'd really like it, but I don't know. I feel like, is that too much? I'll just put it in the cart and decide after. This bag is only $24. I honestly feel like I am finding so much stuff. I should honestly probably just do a TJ Maxx haul. So TJ Maxx, you are onto something. Loving this little rattan bag. Y'all, I found the cutest bag ever and it's only $20. So I'm getting Michel one for her box. So I know Michel loves essential oils. She diffuses them in her home. So I found this lavender essential oil that would be really nice as like a smaller item. I think right now I'm at $38. So I don't know if I can keep going or if I should go to Target. I might honestly find everything here. I really want to get her some sort of mug because I don't know, I've never not loved getting a cute mug. I didn't necessarily see a mug that I absolutely loved, so I'm gonna keep going, and I might actually thrift the mug. I love thrifting mugs. They're super unique ones. And then I was also thinking about thrifting like a really pretty vase or something for around the home. So I definitely have found a good amount here, and I'm gonna keep looking, but I know that like a lot of the stuff that I want also might be at like a thrift store or at Target. I kind of want to get her these sponges, because how often do you look at your sponge on your counter and you're like, this thing is bright blue or bright green or bright yellow? And this is like such a cute little kitchen addition, and I feel like it's something that you don't normally think about to make your home cuter, but I feel like she'd actually really appreciate these because she does a lot of cooking. Totally different side note, how cute are these sage green KitchenAid tools? I'm obsessed with this color. I found this really awesome box for Michel's unboxing. I think she actually could like reuse this. It's so cute. You could put like little keepsakes under the bed in it. So I don't think this is part of the budget. I'm just gonna say it's not, because it's like the box. The stuff in the box is the budget, but this is just a free-for-all. Okay, so I am out of TJ Maxx, and I ended up spending $44 because after tax, I forgot about tax, it's like 10% here in Nashville, so I have about $6 to spend. So I'm actually by the Goodwill, so I'm gonna go in and see if I can thrift the last like $6 and make it count as much as I possibly can. But I actually feel like I got her some really good pieces that I think she's gonna really like, but I really want it to be Michel focused. I'm gonna go into Goodwill here, see what I can find, and hopefully I can really make this last $6 count. Okay, so I am headed back towards the home goods. Like I said, I really want to try to find like a cute mug or a cute like little house decoration, something that she could put maybe on a dresser or something. I am just now realizing how little $6 will get you. I'm really trying to find her something that's like actually cute though. I obviously don't want to get her anything junky, so I'm trying to find something like super cute, but not looking good. Typically Goodwill has like so many cute mugs, and of course the one time I actually need a cute mug, they don't have anything but plain mugs. I did find these though. They're $2.99, so I feel like if I get them, can I like split the price in half and then keep one and then just, you know, give her one for like $1.50? Does that count? They're kind of cute though. I love the little speckly detail on them. Alright, actually this idea is a total bust. I think I'm just gonna use the remainder of the budget to go to Target and get her like something really cute around $6. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head to Target now and just call this one a complete wash. I don't know, usually there's like really cute stuff here, but I have not found anything like just going down the aisles. I am making a quick pit stop at Sonic to get a strawberry lemonade slushie, the small one, because it is 90 degrees outside and I'm sweating, and I wanted a little treat on the way to Target. So I'm here. It's also happy hour, so I feel like the stars align. I'm supposed to be here. Hi. Yes. Thank you so much. Good day. You too. That's what I needed. This is literally what I needed to get through the day. It's time to go to Target. I thought these were such cute little coasters. $12.99. I don't know if I'm gonna find something for like $6. Maybe I'm in the wrong section. Maybe the Joanna Gaines section isn't the right section for $6.99 or for $6. Now I'm like, I don't even think I can find something for like $6. Okay, here's a candle. Really cute candle, but what the heck does this cost? $5.99. It costs $5.99 for this. Can't really smell it through my mask either, so this is nice. I literally can't smell it through my mask. Probably redwood though. I'm gonna put it in the cart because I don't know. I don't know what else I would get for $6. These ones are $4.99. Cardamom. This one smells really good as well, but the other one has a cuter container, so I think I might stick with that. What about this oil diffuser? Can I ship an oil? $12.99. That's out of budget anyway. Nothing at Target is $6. Maybe I should go on Amazon to see if that would be a better move. I do like the candle though. Alright, this water bottle is $3. This is really cute. I don't know. Is a water bottle basic too? Now I'm like questioning everything I'm doing. Alright, I'm kind of torn between this water bottle or this mug that says "You're my favorite," or that candle. I'm not sure which one to get. Back in the car, and if you're wondering which item I got her, this beautiful Tiffany blue water bottle. And I felt like that was the move because she probably already has a bunch of candles that she loves. Those are all of my pieces, and I hit $50 exactly with the water bottle, so I'm very proud of myself. But now I get to package it up and send it to Michel. All right, so I'm going to pack up Michel's subscription box. And like you guys saw, I got this really cool marbled box from TJ Maxx that I think would be an amazing presentation for a subscription box. I feel like that's the fun part about all these like big subscription boxes, is that they have just amazing like packaging, and it's like an experience when you open it up. So I decided to get this for her, and I feel like honestly she could probably reuse it anyway, so I feel like it's kind of something that she could reuse to store stuff under the bed, or if she wanted to keep it out and put stuff in it. It's just a cute box. So the first thing is I need, I think, tissue paper. Actually, the finishing touch is this note with this photo of Riley on it, because I feel like it's more fun when it's more personal. Now, off to LA.
Hi Chloe's friends, I am Michel and I'm so honored to be here today. If you don't know who I am, that means you haven't seen Chloe and I's thrifting video together, which was so much fun. We thrifted for each other on our own channels. It was the best. And now I'm honored to be doing a basically subscription box video with her today. I just got her box in the mail yesterday, which has been crazy because we think the post office lost it for a while. Basically, we sent our boxes to each other 22 or 3 days ago, and this one finally got here. So I'm so glad that it wasn't lost, but just in the meantime, my anticipation has been building because I'm so eager to see what the heck is on the inside. It is not a small box. It is a big box, and I've been really good about not peeking. I actually just now took it out of the shipping box that it was in, so I have no idea what's in here. Should we open it together? I'm really excited. Let's do it. Oh, the heck? Wait, that is so cute. She said, Michel, thanks so much for being my YouTube friend. I hope you love what I picked out for you. I even threw in a little something for Max. Sending you so much love from Nashville. Love, Chloe. That's so cute. We had similar ideas. I gave her a little note explaining why I picked out things. You could go see that part on my channel, but it was nowhere near as aesthetically pleasing as this. Look how cute. This picture of her dog, and look at how good her handwriting is. Oh my gosh. I wish I had good handwriting. Mine, I can't even read my own handwriting. Okay, I'm already seeing so many cute things. I'm gonna try to just take one thing out at a time so that I don't like spoil things. Also, the lighting just got very warm because I have something white in frame. Cameras are weird. Okay, I'm just gonna take out one thing at a time. Oh my freaking gosh, this is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Chloe! Handcrafted in Vietnam. For generations, the longevity symbol has presented long life and durability. Genuine leather. What the heck? Girl, we had such a small budget. How did you do this? This is absolutely insane and the cutest purse that I have ever seen. I want to go take Instagram pictures with this now, and I'm not very good at Instagram, so for me to be inspired to be good at Instagram is really saying a lot. And it's crossbody and it has this like leather strap. I love it. Okay, we could just stop there. We could just get rid of the whole rest of the box because you've already won. This is already the best. I'm so excited. I am too eager to see what else is in here. So, practical matter, natural fiber sponge, all-purpose, non-scratch. This to me feels very, very CosBox, which I feel like I should say that CosBox is my favorite subscription box of all time. They're very intentional about having reusable products, ethical products, and so this feels like exactly like something that would be in a CosBox. In fact, I just unboxed CosBox spoilers for fall, and one of the things in it was reusable cotton rounds, which I feel like is so similar. That is so fun. And I also appreciate how practical it is. It's definitely something that we will use, and actually Brooke does a lot of our dishes, so he'll probably be even more excited about this. Life tip, y'all. Find a husband that enjoys doing the dishes. Game changer. Oh wait, there's so many things wrapped under tissue paper too. This is for Max. Oh, this is so cute. He's asleep right now on the floor right underneath me. I'm not gonna squeak it. He's gonna wake up. This is hedgehogs. Oh. Okay, it says silly sound equals more fun. I have to figure it. He sat up. It is so cute. Oh, he's looking at me like, That is adorable. Max, honestly, we laugh out loud about how much Max loves his toys. He loves his toys. It's so funny to me. He plays with them, runs around with them, cuddles with them. Oh, you want this? Okay, just a second. I'll give this to you now. Say thank you, Chloe. Oh, sorry. There you go, bud. Oh, his tail's doing this. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay. Oh my. There's something massive in here. No. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. Look at this jewelry stand. Okay, this terrazzo, is that how you say this base? I've wanted something like this, anything like this, for so long because this is like such a vibe right now. And a jewelry holder is so practical and perfect and cute. And honestly, I have this jewelry box back here, but there's not enough spaces in it for necklaces, which is so weird. And all of my necklaces are like sharing slots and they get tangled. It's almost like she saw my jewelry video, even though my jewelry video came out after she sent this to me and was like, Michel needs to organize that, which is so perfect. This is durable. This is heavy. Shipping this probably was really expensive, but I love the way that looks. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you, Chloe. I can't believe that there's 2 more things. What the heck? $50 goes so far when we're being smart about it. 100% pure lavender essential oil. I recently got my dream diffuser in the whole wide world from Vitruvi, and it's been my favorite thing. So I love getting essential oils from it. Lavender is always so good too. I put this in my laundry. I'm actually almost out, so this is perfect timing, but you put a little bit of this the last couple minutes that your clothes are drying, and oh, especially sheets and towels. Smells so good. So this is perfect timing. It's 100% pure. Wow. This does feel like a real subscription box. And last but not least, look at all this tissue paper. There's one thing left in here. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. This is such a pretty, like light mint color. Chloe has the best drinkware. Is that a category of things? I always see that she has super cute travel mugs with her matcha and her coffee and her water everywhere. She's got drinkware figured out. This is gorgeous. It looks like it's from Target. Honestly, this type of drinkware normally goes for like 35 bucks, which would be the majority of our budget right there. So I'm so impressed. There's so much in here. Wait. So we got the purse, the jewelry holder, the dog toy, the sponges, the lavender essential oil, and this cup, mug, canteen. What do you call these? Water bottle? You just call it a water bottle? I love this, honestly. I love this so stinking much. It is beautiful. This color is just so fun. Chloe, you killed it. You knocked it out of the park. I am so impressed. All these things are right up my alley. Max is literally playing with this toy right here, so excited about it. I've never seen him that excited about a toy before. Thank you for sending this over. Also, I'm taking over Chloe's comment section again. We have a part 3 collaboration in mind, and I think it's going to be our most fun one yet. So if you want to see it, comment it. And I would love to know if you want to see it, because I just want to be over here hanging out with you guys more often. It's fun over here. I love it. Thank you, Chloe, for sending me this. Man, you won for sure.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this collab video. We seriously have so much fun filming these for y'all, and I hope that this maybe inspires you to give it a try with one of your friends. You could send each other gifts. Honestly, you can get a lot for $50, which is what we both found by doing this challenge. Of course, now you're gonna wanna go to Michel's channel to see what all she picked out for me for my subscription box. She seriously nailed it, and I'm gonna link all of her information down below. So head over to her YouTube channel, subscribe to her channel, give her a follow on Instagram. Michel is seriously one of the sweetest people ever, and we seriously have, like I said, so much fun working together and texting and FaceTiming and doing all the things. If you enjoyed this video though, give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below what other collabs you'd want to see from us. We already have a few more planned, but we would love your ideas as well. And if you're new from Michel's channel and you would like to stick around and subscribe, or you just happen to find this video by chance, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you back for some more videos, and I will see you all in my next one very, very soon. Bye guys!